All right, so we're gonna go back out and check our traps again today. This is day 3. Show you our catches. All right, so we're at the first set of traps. You can see this is where I caught my coon yesterday, and some dumb fucker stole my trap. So I don't know what to do about that, but they didn't steal the other 2 I got set here. The 160's still set. And then the other dog proof, a mouse took the bait, so I have to rebait it. So yeah, mouse just ate my bait here. So I'll rebait this. And now we'll go on to the next traps, and hopefully that son of a bitch didn't take any more of my traps. All right, so I thought I'd talk more about that stolen trap. I know for sure that the trap was stolen because it was a brand new trap. It's not like the chain was weak. And I had some about the thickest wire you can buy. That's how I had it wired off, and it was attached to about a 12-inch round post. So there's no way it would have broke anything. And it's not like there was no show of a animal trying to dig around, trying to get up, pull the trap loose or anything. And it's only just a coon trap, so it's not like a coon would be able to do that anyways. But so yeah, I know for sure that that trap was stolen. He probably noticed there was a coon in it and took it. Hopefully he doesn't steal any more of my traps though. But we're almost to the next set of traps. See if we get anything. All right, so the water dropped and screwed up a few of my sets here. The pole set is sticking out of the water too. So I wasn't gonna catch anything with them sticking out of the water. So I'll fix those sets. We'll go on to the next ones. All right, so we got a really small coon. We're gonna let him go. He's too small to keep this here. And then the other 2 traps we got over here are out of the water. So it's looking like all our traps are gonna be out of the water today. We might not really catch anything. So you won't catch anything when they're sticking out of the water like that. I have to remake every set. So we'll let this one go when we remake these sets. All right, so we're gonna let this guy go. He had both hands, both front paws in. You see he's just fine, just run right off. Even with the water dropped, the trap was sticking out probably 6 inches. This muskrat got in there. Must have got in there before the water dropped. So I've been having to remake every set. They've been sticking out about like 6-8 inches. This one was just with fish and I think some fish oil. So we'll remake this set, dig this trap out so it's underwater now. We got a nice muskrat. All right, so I ended up only with that 1 muskrat, and we let go of that small coon. Didn't catch it much because of the water dropped, but hopefully the water doesn't drop anymore tonight, so we'll hopefully catch something tomorrow. But other than that, Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.